Whether you're trying to find a new job or add a client to your business, we all know it's about who you know. And that really is networking. But when I say the word networking, you probably think about that cringy feeling, talking to strangers, feeling like it's forced, knowing it'll be awkward or worried that you'll sound fake. The thing is, that version of networking is just one tiny version that's actually the worst version. If you're saying that's the only kind of networking that you know, think about this. The last time you grabbed coffee with a friend, it was natural, normal conversation. Then maybe they brought up a new show they've been watching and you're watching it now too. Or maybe a new restaurant to try. The thing is, all of that is networking. And it works because we're constantly acting on the recommendations of people that we trust. The disconnect comes when you're networking professionally and you need to be intentional. We add that level of intentionality and we tend to abandon all the natural ways that we have conversations. And you create this unnatural, cringy version that's the absolute worst. Adding intentionality can be as simple as asking a friend to get coffee and help you with your job search. And it doesn't mean they're the ones offering you a job. It's about the next conversation that conversation leads to. So this reworked version of networking, it's just that, it's having conversations. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can keep it that natural and have the intentionality required to actually accomplish your goal. It covers where to start, what to say, and how to make the ask, so you can grow your network with non-awkward, beneficial conversations. Now, this applies to figuring out what's next in your career, business development, but for this video, it's mostly focused on networking in terms of your job search. That said, the process is exactly the same for all three of those scenarios, regardless of your goal. First of all, where to start? Just start with 5 people you already know well. So this already gets rid of the need to have awkward conversations with strangers. The people already know you, and honestly, they want to help. So ask them to meet up with you so you can pick their brain about what you're looking for in a job search. The key here is to be clear about your intentions so there's no question of why you want to meet. People actually feel good helping, but if they don't know what the meeting's about, then it doesn't feel good. The goal of these conversations is not to get a job or to get a client. You have to remember this. The goal instead is to create this domino effect of 6 degrees of separation. The first conversations lead to more conversations, and that eventually leads to the right opportunity. So this is the key to reworking networking. Now, secondly, what to say when you meet up. When you open the meeting, small talk is fine, but make sure you get to the point early on. That way they're not left wondering why we are here. So it's easy. You can just say what you said in your invite message, that you're in job search mode and you want to get their thoughts. Then share what you're looking for and ask for their thoughts and advice. Remember, it's not about the person in front of you. It's about the connections they might make for you where you're trying to go. And then third, how to make the ask. So after you get their thoughts, you want to make a clear and concise ask. And you can simply ask if there's someone they think that you should meet that might help with this search you're on. And this is the domino effect where one conversation leads to another. And since you said you wanted their help in the initial invite, it's not weird when it's time to make that ask. Remember, people actually like to help you. It's just that they need to know how, which is why you need to give them a specific way to help you. So it really is that simple. It's having one conversation with a clear ask that leads to another conversation. You just have to be patient and let that thing play out. So you can either send 100 random applications to no avail, or have a few good conversations now that lead to your next opportunity. I've seen it work time and again. So we made this really easy for you. We have a mini course that has all the templates of how to do this process. We have what to say, how to make the ask. It even has a step on how to decide who you're going to reach out to. It's all there packaged up in a really short, quick course. You can also get a coaching session if you like to talk through it with someone and maybe bat things back and forth and get feedback. All of this is available at Greenhouse to help you rework your networking and find that next thing that you're going for.